Today we will show you how Aprimo DAM can integrate with your inRiver PIM solution. Aprimo's inRiver connector allows you to bring your product images into inRiver directly from the DAM. Oftentimes, not all product details are available when the inRiver entity is created, but it is important to create that entity. While I will manually create the entity for this solution snippet, these entities are typically automatically created via an integration with your ERP system. Here, we will create the product entity in inRiver. We have the product ID and the name, but that is all the information we have right now. To connect this entity to the images in the DAM, we will copy the entity ID to apply to the image record in the DAM. Once saved, we have a shell of the product entity in inRiver. Now we will go into Aprimo and find the product image to connect to that inRiver entity. Here is the master image. We will edit this record to allow us to distribute this image to our PIM, which is inRiver. We will also add the inRiver product ID to connect these records. Here, we can see the connection is complete, and we can see the return inRiver entity ID has been added to the image record in Aprimo. Returning to inRiver, when we refresh the entity, we can see the image populated from the DAM. Once the additional product details are available, we can add them to the inRiver entity. Returning to Aprimo, we can now connect the other product images to the master image by using Aprimo's record links and metadata inheritance features. You see here the product details have been updated from inRiver. The metadata layout and inheritance process is completely flexible and configurable based on your needs. I can select inRiver-specific assets to find the other images I need. Once selected, the records are now linked. Returning to inRiver, once the entity is refreshed, I am able to see the additional product images for this product. Back in the DAM, if we select one of the linked images, we can see that the metadata from the product record has been inherited to the linked images. This automation means you do not have to edit each of the related images separately, ultimately creating efficiencies for your busy users. Aprimo's inRiver connector for PIM ultimately empowers you to do more with your integrated ecosystem.